Okay, now I know you're on video, so you're going to be like a kid and probably not do anything and embarrass me in public in front of billions of people, but I'm going to give it a shot. Hey, can you be a spaceship? Oh, you're such a good boy. Look at you, how big and strong you are. Hey, can you be a cat? Oh my God, you're such a brilliant Bowie. Okay, bye-bye. Hey, can you be a cat? Good boy, you're so smart. Hey, can you be a spaceship? Good boy. Thirston, can you be a telephone? Can you be a telephone? Yes, that's my macho bear. Now, one more thing for David. What's your name? No, what's your name? Hey, look at Mama. Thirston, what's your name? What's your name? No. What's your name? Oh, you're so beautiful. Are you handsome? Are you so handsome? Good boy. That was delayed. He just said his name. Give the kitty kisses. Give each other a kiss. Kisses and hugs. Good boy. Kisses and hugs. Thirston, give her a kiss. Come on, give her a kiss. Thirston. Lulu.